Hello guys, welcome to RandomIslandNorm. And today I'm melt testing on the shore of this river right here. And there used to be a couple old house sites right behind me. Unfortunately, a hurricane flooded out this entire area and therefore basically it ruined the houses that were there. And they were old houses too. So that's kind of unfortunate. But anyway, I'm taking along the water's edge. And I'm hoping I'm going to find something good, but you just never know. Anyway, without further ado, let's do some detecting. That'd be Arn. Oh yeah. Oh, penny. 1965. Doesn't really sound as good as I thought. Okay, there it is. Right here. Got like some sort of design on it. It's interesting. It's definitely a keeper. Maybe just like some sort of like part of the belt, perhaps. Design. I don't know. Well guys, my Tesoro Outlaw is pretty much out of batteries, so I'm gonna run back to the house very quick like and get the Tesoro Lobo. Hopefully then I'll actually find something really good. But then again, maybe I won't. Ooh, something terrible just went down my boot. Oh, that's painful. What's that? No. I think I might keep this bottle, guys. Looks pretty interesting. I don't know how old it is. It's probably not that old. Well. Alright guys, I'm back, this time with the Lobo. This means serious business. Also, I think I got a thorn jabbed up the heel of my foot. As I was walking back, felt a sharp pain in the heel. Yeah, it wasn't pretty. Still hurts. Hopefully it's out and it drove up further up my hill. I really got to examine that when I get back. Anyway, let's do some detecting. Give this place 15 more minutes and then I'm going to head back home, do a wrap up. Nice big plug. Bottle cap. Well guys, I was unable to find anything with the Lobo, unfortunately. So I'm just going to go back home and do the wrap up of what I found before, earlier in the video. Whew. I just dug like a 1 foot deep hole just to find out it was a piece of aluminum. I thought I was digging up a nice treasure chest right next to the river here. As you see, there's also a cemetery near me. It's the oldest cemetery in town, 1850 to 1945, I believe. Anyway, I'm heading back home now. I'm very tired. Very tired. Hello guys, I'm back home now. Man, this hat has seen better days. Well guys, it's wrap up time. And it's a bit different because I got a light so I can show you guys more detail on the items here. Anyway, first off, we're going to start off with this lovely bottle that I just stumbled across in one of the clips. Grab the light. Here we go. It says 10 fluid ounces, no deposit, no return. And on the bottom, it says, oh man, I can't really multitask. Can I multitask? No, I can't. I gotta do this. It says, oh wait, no. It says not to be returned or refilled. Okay, this was not to be refilled. Bingo. Also, I found a piece of porcelain in that bottle there, which is quite interesting. I don't know how it got in there. Anyway, and here's a 1965 Canadian penny. You can see the date quite clearly in the light. Nothing special. And here's the best one of the day. Absolutely, probably one of the best things I've found in a long time. Check out this Ornate Buckle. I don't know if you can see the design on the video there, but look at it. It's actually quite pretty. Oh man, this room sucks. There's only one light. Only one light. And it makes everything so difficult. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that ornate design on it. And if you turn over, I noticed someone was cleaning it. It says bronze, like right there. Yep. Yeah, that's really cool. That's a really awesome find. If you guys know what kind of buckle this is, let me know in the comments below, because it is pretty cool design. Look at that. You can really see it there now. Nice. Anyway, that's the find. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And hit that bell icon up above so you won't miss another RandomIslandNorm video. Also, if you feel like it, leave a comment down below, because I like reading you guys' comments. Gotta love that support. Anyway guys, see you in the next video, and have a great day. I mean it. See ya! Oh buddy.